Alright, so the question asks us to find P5 plus P6. And it told us that there's two different situations. There's what you do when I is odd and what you do when I is even. So I being even, I could be 2, 4, and we'll only go up to 6 because that's what the biggest number we care about is. Okay. For odd values, it said when I, so what's an odd value? I is 1, 3, 5. Again, we'll stop at 5 because what we want to find is this 6, this P6 and this P5, and then we'll stop. So when it's even, the rule goes like this. PI, any PI is equal to twice the one before it. So PI minus 1, right? And I think before you probably took P5 and P6 and both used this rule for them and added them up. But you can't do that. And for odd values, the rule is PI, any PI is equal to the one before it, PI minus 1, that guy, plus one more. So let's go through these and let's figure out what each one is. We were given that P1 was 1, right? And we were also given that P2 was 2. And then from there, what we need to find is hang on a second, use that rule. We need to find P4, and we need to find P6 on the even side, right? The 2, the 4, and the 6. And on the odd side, we need P3 and P5. And then we should be done. We'll add these two together and we'll be happy. So P2, I can't find P4 because in order to find P4, I need to know what P3 was and then multiply it by 2. So let me find out P3. P3 I can find out because I know what P2 is. I take P2 and I add 1. P2, which is 2, plus 1 is 3. So that's P2 plus 1 equals 3. So that's P3. Now I can find P4 because I take P3 and I times it by 2. So P4 is twice whatever P3 is. P3 was 3, so twice 3 is 6. Now I have P5. I can use this rule up here to find P5, which is P4 plus 1. P4 was 6, so P5 is 7. Good. I found one of the ones I care about. Okay, this is one of them that I care about. Now what's P6? P6 is P5 twice P5. Right? P5 was 7, twice 7 is 14. And that's just about done. That's what we care about are these two values, the 7 and the 14. Right? Because we want P5 plus P6. And we know that P5 is 7 and P6 is 14, and that makes 21.